Hey everyone, it's Megan here with another Mondays with Megan tech tip for you. For those of you that spend a lot of time in Outlook, you do not want to miss this week's tip. It will save you so much time. Alright, so this week I'm going to talk about a tip for switching between your calendar and your emails in Outlook. So if your job is anything like mine, you are constantly looking at emails, flipping to your calendar to schedule things, flipping back to respond to emails, flipping back to your calendar, and it can be a little tedious to just click back and forth constantly. This keyboard shortcut is ridiculously simple and will save you so much time. All you have to do is click Ctrl 1 for your emails and Ctrl 2 to go to your calendar. And that way you can be typing, Ctrl 1, Ctrl 2, flip back and forth without having to grab your mouse, find where you're at. It'll save you time. It's so easy. I hope this tip was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys all next week. For more information, subscribe to the YouTube channel or head to EasyIT.com. Have a great week, everybody.